first threat of media to users is that media becomes a source of misinformation and fake news. So these sometimes are utilized to push personal gain and agenda, making the receiver of the information deceive, confuse, and misinformed. Nowadays, mahirap nang malaman kung totoo ba o hindi yung mga posts or news na nababasa natin, most especially in social media. Second is media is being abused by many. Though media helps us improve the way we communicate, it is also abused by many. So everybody publishes whatever they want and unmindful of the consequences of their posts. People misuse social networks, and once you post, you lose control of what happens to it. Kaya nga mayroong lumabas na awareness campaign, which is the think before you click, kung saan it is designed to guide users, bata man o matanda, against the risk they may encounter on digital and social media platforms. It is a strong message of an internet safety to protect us from overexposing on social media networking sites. Sabi nga, ang lahat ng sobra ay nakakasama. So that is why we need to use media moderately. For our last threat, so media pose medical, social, and psychological issues. What is posted on media may cause dissatisfaction with body image, creates addiction, promote identity stealing, and can destroy interpersonal relationships. Early research says that media negatively affects people's perception of their body image, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataan, dahil kung minsan ay ikino-compare natin yung sarili natin sa images na nakikita natin sa Facebook, TikTok, or any social media networks. At kung ano yung trending, kahit hindi naman natin ito gusto, ay napipilitan na tayong gayahin para sumunod sa uso. And also, sabi nga, it creates addiction and promote identity stealing.